Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam and today we are going to be learning how to make this cool RGB split effect. And without talking too much, let's get right into the video. So first of all, we create a new composition 1920 by 1080, 24 frames per second and for 5 seconds and click OK. Secondly, let's import in our logo. So our file manager, drag the logo and drop it into After Effects. That is awesome. Now put it into our composition, click on S to bring out the scale property and scale it down to around 30%. Now next thing we're going to do is we're going to align it. If it's not aligned in yours, it's aligned to the center of the composition. Now let's recompose our layer and let's call it logo. The next thing we're going to do is create a new null object, and that is cool. Okay, let's open our Effects and Preset tab here and let's search for slider and apply this to the null object. Now we'll come back here and search for shift channels and apply it to our logo comp. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on P to open up the position properties. Now hold down Alt and click the stopwatch to open up the expression place. I don't know. Now let's type in an expression. So we type in wiggle. Then open parentheses 30, comma. Now let's open our null object here, open effects and open the slider control. So let's go back to our expression 30, comma, then pick whip this to our slider here. So it's going to add this remaining expression to it. Now we close parentheses now to make sure the expression is valid. Now you can click out of it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to duplicate this logo layer 2 times. So Ctrl D and Ctrl D again. Now we name the first one blue, second one green, and the last one red. Now for our blue layer here, we are going to shut off everything apart from the blue. So come to your red here and click on full off. Your green, click on full off and leave the blue. For your green, you shut off your red and you shut off your blue. And for the red, you shut off the green and you shut off the blue. Now you change the blending mode of the blue and green to add, so your color changes back to white. Beautiful. Now let's open our slider here and change the amount to 20. And now let's play it back. And that's how you get this glitching logo effect. So everybody remember, like, share, subscribe. If this video has helped in any way, put it down in the comment section. If you want me to go by any tutorial in the future, same thing in the comment section, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out. I know you just